Is it cute that I wore this red shirt for the red bottom nails, or super cheesy? I thought it was cute, but now I think it might just be like too much. Like, girl, too much. Hi guys, it's Lindsay.
Welcome back to my channel. I am so happy you're here.
Today we are doing my DIY red bottom nails. Okay, so this manicure is just totally over the top extra, but it is so glam and so much fun. The look is inspired by the Christian Louboutin shoes. If you've seen the heels with the red sole on the bottom, that's what this look is inspired by. I'm doing a tan with a red bottom. You can also do like a black with a red bottom to make it look like the black patent leather pumps. So iconic. It's just a really different, fun, eye-catching manicure because I don't actually own any Louboutins. They're like $1,000,000,000. They just totally pop and get people's attention, and it's just really fun to change it up. And if you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, be sure to tap that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're the first to see my all new videos, and I'll love you forever and ever. So I saw this look online and I really wanted to try to recreate it at home. I usually do most of my manicures at home because it's a lot less expensive than going to the salon, and let's be real, who's got time for that? And I just like getting creative. I've also did a glitter bottom nail tutorial on my channel if you guys want to check that video out. I'm partial to that look because sparkle and glitter and duh. It's just like so me. But you can really do any color, get creative. So leave me a comment down below and let me know what color nail bottoms you'd love to see or love to try out. And you can let me know what combo, so like what you want to see on the bottom and what base color you want to see on the top. Alright, so we start with the faux acrylic nails, and you can definitely do this on your own natural nails if they're long enough to kind of paint onto the bottom. Mine are pretty short, so I'm putting on the fake acrylics. But as always, I'll leave everything I use down below with links for you guys so you can check it out after.
So this is a box of fake nails I just got off Amazon for super cheap. They're full cover nails, so they cover your entire nail. And you're just going to go ahead and pick out the sizes that fit your own natural nails. Just make sure they don't hang over the edges too much and they just fit each nail nice and snug. Then once you have all of your nails picked out, we're going to go ahead and prep our natural nails. So just cut and file your nails down as short as possible, and then go ahead and push down your cuticles and just cut them off so we can get that fake nail as close to the cuticle line as possible. Then I just took some nail polish remover to remove any oils on my nails so the fake nails stick really well. And this step's optional, but you can kind of buff out your nails with a nail file to kind of create texture so the fake nail will stick really well to it. And I honestly don't always do this part. Okay, now to get the red bottom on your nails, I've tried this a few different ways, and I feel like this way is the best by just painting the red on the bottom side of the nails before you put them on. I've tried putting them on and then painting the red on the underneath side, and it just gets all over your finger and is messy. So with these like bolder colors on the bottom, I like to just paint them onto the nail first and then just go ahead and let them dry completely. Then we take a bottle of fresh nail glue, and you're going to add a few drops to each nail. And once the red nail polish is completely dry, just go ahead and press them on to your nail for about 20 to 30 seconds each until they're really stuck on there, pushing down all the way as close to the cuticle as possible. And then when you flip it over, it's totally red underneath, and the top doesn't matter. We're going to cut that part off. So go ahead and do this to all of your nails until they're all on there. And then we're going to cut them down and shape them, so don't worry about the white part at the top that's showing. So go ahead and use some scissors or a nail clipper and just cut your nails into the shape that you want and the length that you want. I like to keep them pretty long and do kind of like a semi-pointed coffin shape look, and just take a nail file and smooth everything down until you have the exact shape that you want. I like to do like a really bold kind of point on these nails when I do the red bottoms, just to give them a little extraness. And go ahead and do this on all your nails until they're all shaped. And they already look so cool with the red bottom, so now we're just going to pick a top coat. So just pick a color. I like to do either a black or a nude to kind of mimic the Christian Louboutin shoe look. Today I'm going with nude, so just go ahead and paint on a coat of nail polish right on top of the nails. I like to do one coat, let it dry, and then do a second coat, and then it's pretty much done. And the cool thing about using these fake plastic nails is you don't have to do a base coat when you add your nail polish. I just love the classy nude look with a fancy pop of red underneath. You can go ahead and embellish it with any kind of nail art or decorations that you want. So I just added some clear nail polish, and then I added some fun little embellishments to the ring finger. Then just take some clear nail polish on top to kind of seal it in there so they don't fall off, and you can get creative and do any kind of look you want, really. And this part is optional, but I went ahead and took a little red rhinestone and used the clear nail polish to stick it onto the underside of the red nails, because I just couldn't do my nails without adding like an extra pop of sparkle, and I just think it's a really fun little surprise underneath. And just set that in with some clear nail polish, and there you have it. You guys, how totally glam did these turn out? I love them. I can't imagine like doing my nails without a fun pop of color underneath, and the red is just so classic and so classy, and I just feel like it's so much fun, and I always get compliments on these.
If you guys give these a try, be sure to go follow me on social media and tag me in a picture of your recreation so I can go like and comment on all your pics and see all of your fun nail art designs, and see if any of you got creative and did some really fun color combinations besides the tan and red. And of course, if you guys like this video, be sure to go tap the thumbs up so I know to make more just like it, and go check out my glitter bottom nail art tutorial, because if you liked this video, you are going to love that one. Alright, thanks so much for watching and leaving me comments. You guys are the best. I love you so much. Shine on, babes, and I'll see you right here next time. Bye! Alright, you guys, today on my YouTube channel we're doing a Christian Louboutin inspired manicure. I'm not going to give it away here. You're going to have to go check out my YouTube video to see what's behind these nails. It's so fun!